Gligglish went viral and now it has an update. Don't miss it. This is an amazing app to learn and practice the language. This is fabulous and you're going to love it. This new update is especially good for beginners, but you need to check out this amazing tutorial. Let me show you how it works. Sign up with your Google account, link in the description, no worries. Let's choose a language. You have many to choose from. Now you can talk to Gligglish or choose a roleplay. Let's start.
I'm Gligglish. Let's practice your English. What would you like to talk about?
You can listen to it again or translate it if you don't understand. You have 3 options of answers if you are a beginner. The new update lets you write it in your own language. Then you get the translation and 3 options to say that.
I want to talk about my life and hobbies.
I'd like to talk about hobbies today. Can we talk about that?
Of course. What hobbies do you enjoy? That's okay. Do you enjoy any other hobbies besides listening to music?
You have many options. You can ask for vocabulary, you can have a conversation, you can ask for other expressions and improve your English, for grammar explanations. These are just examples of what you can do with this amazing
Common
app.
hobby-related vocabulary includes reading, painting, cooking, and gardening.
Yes, please. Could I say I enjoyed taking photos with my camera in a posher way?
You could say I derive great pleasure from capturing images with my camera.
You have other options too. Let's explore them. Beginner friendly mode. You can adjust the speed. You can ask for the translations and the transcription. How fantastic is this? Now it's your turn. Go and check it out if you want to learn a language. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can keep on bringing you the free best AI tools for you and your projects. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.